What's up, guys? Welcome back to In The Shop TV. My name is Mike. That's my 1955 Chevy truck project that I've been working on. If you guys are new here, I'd love it if you click that subscribe button and click the little bell notification so you guys get notified anytime we upload a new video related to this build. Guys, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I want to jump right into it. This is the last of the frame stuff that we got to do before we start painting and getting ready to start actually building instead of deconstructing. What we got going on here today is that we're at the rear of the frame. We're gonna be putting in a gas tank soon. We got to start painting the frame. But right now there's one last cross member in our way that we got to get out, and there's two leaf spring brackets that got to come off. So I think in total we've got 2, 4, 6, so 12 rivets in total that have to come out to get this cross member and these leaf spring brackets off. So I showed you guys in previous videos the tool that I like to use to take these out. It's called a roto cut, and it makes taking frame rivets out way easier. Unfortunately, I lent my roto cut kit out and I think it got forever borrowed, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. So we're back to Old Faithful here, doing it the old-fashioned way, which I hate. Now, it's not really the biggest deal in the world because the 2 rivets on top are really easy and the 2 rivets on the side are really easy, but there's 2 rivets underneath the frame bracket that have kind of gussets on the outside of it. It's gonna be really hard to get that grinding wheel in there, and so we're gonna have to go on our back on the creeper and, I don't know, just hack away at it till we get it out. I was kind of dreading it. I've been putting this off for a couple days because it's a pain in the ass, but gotta get done, so let's get into it. I'm just going around each rivet and scoring it in several different places to make little tiny pieces. All right, they're all out. Sorry I couldn't take the camera underneath with me. There's just not enough room in there for my big ass head, and the gun, and the camera. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, so there's this little cross member right here. This is just attached by nuts on the bottom, so 2 nuts, and we'll take this right out. Well, it's got a bolt head on it that you can't grab the head with a wrench because it's worn away. Well, it's always something. Sometimes I get tired of asking. So these were so rusted on there that it just rounded the head of the nut off, and I couldn't get it to move at all. So out comes the wheel of death, and on both sides, and that's the end of it. All right, so we've got one leftover shock mount that's original to the truck, which is right here on this cross member with 2 rivets. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those 2 off. All right, so everything is completely out of the way in the back. Get ready for our tank to go in. Got plenty of space for it. I'm gonna hold on to that cross member that we removed because I don't know how I'm gonna brace up that tank. I might need it right here, but then again, it's got a hump on it. It might be too high. But even if I don't use it, there's somebody out there that might need it for their original build, so I like to hold on to those things. At any rate, we're gonna need to come up with some sort of bracket for the back, maybe another one for the front too, depending upon what tank we put in here. But I definitely gotta do something at minimum to tie the back of these 2 frame rails together. Well, at least now we have a giant space to work with. I'm sure there's gonna be a plethora of tanks available that can fit in a space that large. But the next thing that we have to do in order to get ready for that is wire wheel some of this frame down, get some paint on it, any type of rust, address that, so that we can put our tank in. That's all gonna be in the next video, guys. That's gonna do it for this one. Guys, if you don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. I really need the help growing this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.